Very welcome each and everyone. So, as we have discussed source transformation part 1 earlier, so this is the part 2 of source transformation. In this part we will see the numerical question which is based on source transformation method. Okay. हम समझेंगे कि कैसे source transformation method से complicated problem को easily तरीके से solve किया जा सकता है. Okay. See, first one we have seen that the practical voltage source can be converted into current source whenever the resistance is connected in series with voltage source. Okay. So, now we are applying the Ohm's law in this section only. Okay. So, according to Ohm's law V equal to I R. So, now V equal to I R. So, what is value of voltage is 6 and I we do not know and R is 3 ohm. Okay. So, what is I? I is equal to 6 by 3, it is 2 ampere. Okay. Now, we can draw it. So, and direction of current is always negative to positive. Okay. So, this is the direction of current and the magnitude of current source is 2 ampere. Okay. Got it. Now, this resistance will be connected in parallel with current source and the value of resistance will not be changed. Okay. It is remain as 3 ohm and what next? It is connected in parallel with 6 ohm. Okay. What next? This 6 ohm will be remain same and this current source will be remain same. It is 1.5 ampere. Direction is this type and lastly it is connected with resistance of 8 ohm. Okay. Till now is clear. What we can see now, this 3 ohm and this 6 ohm both are in parallel. So, as we have discussed earlier, the parallel connection of resistance, it is equal to, suppose this is R 1 and R 2, then the R 1 parallel R 2 will be equal to R 1 into R 2 upon R 1 plus R 2. Okay. Now, putting these value in this formula, we get 3 into 6 upon 3 plus 6. Okay. So, what next? It is R 1 parallel R 2 will be equal to 18 upon 9. It is 2 ohm. Okay. So, now the circuit will change like this. It is current source of 2 ampere. Now, this is equal to equivalent resistance which is 2 ohm and now this is 6 ohm resistance. Okay. And this current source of 1.5 ampere and next the resistance of 8 ohm. Okay. What we can see now, again our resistance of 2 ohm is connected in parallel with current source. So, we can again change it by using source transformation. Okay. So, now again applying V equal to I R, what we get? See, V we do not know, I is 2 ampere and the resistance is I is 2 ampere and the value of resistance is 2 ohm. Okay. Got it. So, now V will equal to 4 volts. Okay. Now, the circuit will change like this. It is voltage source of, see, direction will determine the sign of terminal. Okay. It is negative and this will be positive. Okay. And the magnitude is 4 volt. Next, this resistance will be connected in series. Okay. So, this is 2 ohm and see again it is connected with 6 ohm. Okay. And the source of current is 1.5 ampere. Direction is upward, okay, and last there is resistance of 8 volt, sorry, it is 8 ohm. Okay. Now, we can see two resistances 2 ohm and 6 ohm is connected in series as well. Okay. So, simply we know the formula of series connection, it is R 1 plus R 2. Okay. So, now we are applying this formula in both the resistances. What we get? See, now this 2 ohm and 6 ohm will add up and it will be equal to 8 ohm. Okay. So, now what we have? We have it is 4 volt voltage source, okay, and the resistance value of resistance will be, this will be 8 ohm, okay, and here is the current source, direction is upward 1.5 ampere, okay, and lastly it is connected with parallelly 8 ohm resistance. Okay. So, now as we have discussed that again voltage source with series of resistance. Okay. So, this will again transform into a current source, okay, and the value of current source, as we can see here, that again applying V equal to I R. So, value of V is 4 and value of I we do not know and R is 8 ohm. Okay. So, I will be equal to 4 by 8, it is 0.5 ampere. Okay. Now, this will go up, this will be converted into current source and direction is negative to positive and the magnitude is 0.5 ampere. Okay. This will connected into parallel and there is current source, again current source, it is 1.5 ampere, okay, and it is connected into parallelly with 8 ohm resistances. Okay. Here also is 8 ohm. Now, we have seen that two current sources are there and direction is same. So, this will add up and become a single source of current, okay, and we can see that two resistances are connected in parallel. Okay. So, again these current source will be add up. So, what will be the final result? It is 1.5 plus 0.5, it is 2 ampere. Okay. So, direction will be same, it is 2 ampere, okay, and the parallel connection of both the resistances, it is R 1 into R 2 upon R 1 plus R 2. Okay. So, what become R 1 is 8 into 8 upon 8 plus 8. Okay. So, it is 64 by 16. Okay. So, it is 4 ohm, okay, and it will be connected in parallel with this current source. Okay. It is 4 ohm. Okay. So, now what will be the value of current in this? It is it is V equal to I R, we have applied V equal to I R. Okay. So, what is I? I is 2 ampere and voltage, it is V and I is 2 ampere and current resistance is 4 ohm. So, what will be the voltage in this resistance? It will be 2 4s are 8 volt. Okay. So, this is all about the how we can solve the problem using source transformation, okay, and how we can simplify this problem. Okay. Thank you very much.